Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the car for eyesight, clear the windshield, and confirm the camera view is unobstructed, because calibration depends on sight. Once done, check the infotainment settings menu to enable eyesight and verify firmware status. Make sure you sit at a proper distance and adjust mirrors so the system sees lane markings. Then, key the ignition and wait for the eyesight self-check to finish. Look for the green indicator. This first activation ensures safe automated assistance before you engage controls. You now engage eyesight features progressively. Start with adaptive cruise to hold speed and choose a following distance that matches traffic, near, medium, or far, so the system calculates braking behavior. Once active, enable lane trace and steering assist, but keep hands lightly on the wheel and ready to apply torque when the car prompts. Use pre-collision braking as your backup. Understand it mitigates impact rather than guarantees avoidance. Finally, practice in low-risk, low-speed environments until you trust feature responses. You complete each drive by disengaging eyesight via the brake, cancel button, or by taking full manual steering control. Confirm the green light returns to standby. For ongoing reliability, inspect and clean the camera zone regularly and schedule recalibration after any windshield replacement or collision. If the system shows persistent warnings or reduced functionality, reset eyesight from settings, then test. If problems continue, make an appointment for professional camera recalibration. This fix resolves most sensing and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.